Hello friends, welcome to penhouse. In this video, we are going to see a short review on K9 Chalice roller ball pen. And the brand's name is K9 and the model's name is Chalice. And it is mentioned in the box itself. And the ink color is mentioned here. It is a blue color writing one. And if it is a black one, you will find a black mark here. Or otherwise, if it is a red one, you will find a red drop here. And it is a metal body. And in the back side it is mentioned if it is a roller ball pen they will tick in the as per their position, and feature is given here. It is anti-corrosion with anti-slip pattern metal body, a chrome finished metal trims, natural and durable coating, and luxury writing experience. These are the features of this pen which is mentioned here. And let me open this box. A tray is given separately for this box. That is also a very steady one. And yeah, here this is a roller ball pen, a full metal finished one, a shining silver metal, and a golden color clip where the brand's name K9 was mentioned in the clip, and the model's name Chalice was mentioned here, and round flat black color bottom buttons, and a very sturdy clip. And let me open this. A very thin long grip portion. Very good looking, a very stylish one. And let me give the writing sample. Wow, very smooth writing. Very smooth writing, and the ink flow is coming out very good, and the color of the writing also very good. And let me show you the refill here. It's a threading mechanism, you have to thread and remove this. And it is a K9 brand's refill, a roller refill, and it is mentioned 0.7 mm. The tip is 0.7 mm, and you can get this size refill easily. And for this pair you can check in our site, we are having different color refills in this size. As this is a metal pen, you can engrave your names or logos in this pen on anywhere on the cap or on the body. And let me show you the measurement. The cap's diameter width clip, it is 12.4 mm. The body's diameter is 9.8 mm. The length of this pen with cap, it is 133 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this with pouches and all, the same shininess, same aesthetic will last forever, as you cannot hold this box everywhere. If you are using a pouches and all, this will be a good one. And for pouches you can refer our site. We are having single, double and 4 pen pouches with different color and different size and with the different slot sizes. So, and also we can engrave the names or logos in the pouches too, so you can check in our site. And yeah, if you have any query about this, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.